Are you passionate about electric vehicle? Do you want to be a part of the EV revolution? Then we have a limited time offer just for you. Enroll in our electric vehicles EV engineering course at Team Energy Electric Venture Private Limited, located at Sithalapakam, and get 50% off on the original fee. That's right, you can now enroll for just Rs 4,999 for a 2-week course that covers everything from introduction to EVs, types of EVs, battery BMS technology, charging infrastructure to 2 4-wheelers assembly and disassembly. Not only that, we also provide placement training and issue a merit certificate. Upon completion, Why EVs course, the Ministry of Skill Development. And Entrepreneurship recognises this course, making it a partner in skill development. By 2030, there will be 1 crore direct jobs in the EV industry and 5 crore indirect jobs. Join us and be a part of this growing industry. Don't miss out on this opportunity to accelerate your career. Enroll today and be a part of the EV revolution. Inquire or visit our website www.tv.co.in. Take the first step towards a future in electric vehicles.